Good day, Gr.10s. I hope you are all still doing well. Today's lesson is about writing a summary. Before you start writing your summary, read thoroughly through the article or text and make sure that you understand the contents of the specific article or text. When you are done reading through the article, read your instructions to see exactly what is expected of you. Make sure you understand the question so that you know which facts to identify. Then, when you're done reading through the article, write a first draft for your summary. By writing a first draft, it just makes the editing process much easier before you do the final draft. Follow the steps to complete your summary. Firstly, give your summary a title. Remember, the title needs to relate to the contents of the article or text. Number your facts from 1 to 5. Remember, with our summaries, you are only allowed to have 5 facts. Then, importantly, remember, you are only allowed to have 1 fact per number, meaning you are only allowed to have 1 sentence per number. As soon as you have 2 sentences per number, only the first sentence will be marked, which might not necessarily mean that that sentence contained the fact. Leave a line open after each fact. This just makes the marking of your summary easier. Then, remember to write the facts in your own words. You are not allowed to lift or quote from the text. In the first draft, you are, however, allowed to have quotes or lifting from the text, but you need to change these words to your own words as soon as you start writing your final draft. Then, just a tip, in case you get stuck with identifying facts, ask yourself the question, would this information be useful for someone else? If your answer to the question is no, you know you need to go back to the article or text and find another fact. Then please take note of spelling and punctuation. All your sentences need to start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. If you don't adhere to your normal spelling and punctuation rules, you will lose marks as soon as your summary is marked. Then also stick to the indicated word count. Normally, you are required to write a summary of 60 or 70 words. For this, you are allowed to exceed this maximum amount of words by 5 words only. Please don't go over the word count with too many words, as you might lose marks if those extra words contain your facts. Then lastly, indicate the word count at the end of your summary. Here is an example of a summary. In the first column, you will see quotations taken from the specific article that this summary is based on. In the second column, you can see the facts changed into own words. For this specific summary, there were 7 facts that you could have chosen 5 from to complete your summary with. Please also take note of the fact that the facts are written in words different than those of the quotations. Now it's your turn. Now you write your own summary. Remember, practice makes perfect. For today's activity, you are going to use the article on page 30. Your question for this specific article is, summarize 5 tips for dressing well on a budget. Important, remember your steps that I have listed above. For this specific summary, you're only allowed to use 60 words. Have fun!